our intern. Here she just came for a week.
Yeah.
And she's really sharing with us her gifts in the kitchen. Come out to learn and sharing is always exchange.
Yeah.
So this is a very
I'm a slave.
cultural from you, right?
Yes.
This is a Chinese and going back
To China.
to China and doing this.
But I'm American though, so.
Okay. But this is our dish, right? You say?
Yeah, this is like a pretty typical Chinese food thing. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Eris will
What is
make
it?
it for everyone in the future.
Yes, I will. I love to learn new things all the time.
Yeah.
We always teaching and learning.
And yeah.
And that is a part of hands-on.
Hands-on. Many.
I can eat meat. Really happy.
Yay. Hello.
I'm happy about it.
To
Yeah.
have everybody happy. Great.
Yeah.
I love the green.
I just put some ground beef in our minced chives or wild grass. Still to be verified. And we're just adding a variety of things in here. Soy sauce or just really anything you want for it to taste good for you. And the key, the highlight would be folding this dish. So, oh, sorry for my language, but it's cool.
Folding it.
Yeah.
So like what you're doing right now?
No, with this wrap.
Oh, like wrapping it.
Wrapping it. Yeah.
That's cool.
I know.
And you said this was like South Vietnamese style?
Yeah, or Chinese spring rolls. Yeah. Oh yeah, do also put an egg in there. It's helpful.
Cool.
She's blanking the ground beef.
Great.
With
Yeah, we need some help. So
chives. So yeah, let's just finish and then we start to fry and
Yeah.
roll. Let me see again.
roll fast.
See if we can
Trying to fry my baby spring rolls with Carolina's great help.
more
Expert. Taking our spring roll to home.
Ah.
It smells good. Smells so nice.
Keep rotating,
I am rotating, sir.
is what she said.
I know. That's what I told her.
It's not just being brown, I will pick up the while to keep the meat always clean.
Yeah, this one inside is still a little raw. So it's good.
Okay.
How about
So I think so. It's just yeah. We need to try it.
the frying time?
We just temporize.
Yeah. These are picture golden
Now
looking
let's try
spring
time.
rolls. Woo. We're ready? So
Hot.
crunchy.
And delicious.
And delicious.
Nice
Very
and successful.
So good. So good. Here,
So good?
So good. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Yum.
I just in the smell over here.
Oh, Lord.
Woo! So exciting lunch.
Ooh, I know.
Mm.
Yeah. Nice.